Okay, some of you were wondering how I was able to get data out of the video images that we took, so the recordings that we did, like what I got with the impromptu lab where I dropped the tennis ball. I'm going to take one of the long videos, about 9 minutes long, that we took from our Speed of Sound lab and try and get some data that helps cut down on human error. So I've got it loaded into software where I can start playing around with the video itself. In here, I can very fine-tune control where I'm going. I'm going to put my starting point at 13 seconds. You can see I'm standing there with the clapboards open with the little blue paper there, so I can actually see them open. And I'm going to go in and I'm going to bring this up to 13 point, let's go with 375. And I can see skipping ahead about 0.375 seconds. I still have the blue paper, so I haven't hit them together yet. So I'm going to do 400, stepping up a little bit more, and I can see, bam, I get right at about the point where I'm clapping them together. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to take just that value by itself. I'm going to get 15.400 to get 2 seconds total, so I've got some time in there. And that should include my sound. Let's double check. So I'm going to play it. We're watching up here, and I'm going to clap the boards together and hopefully I get the sound. And I heard the click there, so we're set. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to produce this video so that I've got a small, not a 9-minute long one, but a 2-second long video that I can play around with. Okay, and so now I have that video, and I need to get some fine measurements on where the sound comes in. So you saw earlier how I could use the trim function in that video editing software to be able to very finely control what image I'm seeing. There are some techniques that I know that I can get even higher precision than what's available inside that software, but for what we're doing, I think it'll be fine. Unfortunately, my other piece of data is not something that I can get easily from just the video. It's going to be something that I have to hear. So I've opened this. This is Audacity. This is another piece of software that you can get from the internet. And it allows us to do a lot of cool things with sound. So I'm going to come into Import, Audio, and I'm going to find the video that I just made. And what we're seeing here is actually the sound associated with that file. And so I can kind of look around a little bit, so I've got the full thing if I listen to it. You all may not be able to hear it. I'm having a hard time getting it to record the sound of this, but I'll try and put it in with the video too. The important thing is, right around here, this spike, I think that is my clap. So you can see the little spike there that comes down. That should actually be the sound of my boards clapping together. In fact, when I play just this, I can hear it very clearly. And so if I adjust to right where that spike is, I can look down here and I get that my time was 0.448 seconds. That's the value that I got. Okay? And so this is a way that I can get much higher precision, hopefully.